Hello, I would like to thank Hcalory for being this week's video sponsor. They sent us over one of their toolbox diesel heaters. Now, this thing is really cool. Let me tell you a few reasons why. Number one, super portable. You literally can just lug it around and get portable heat anywhere you want. It's not too bad to put together, just a couple little things. Also, you can use it with 110 power or 12 volt. Very cool, super functional. Open this thing up, you can see that they were very efficient with the space. Got a tank and everything in there. We put some diesel in there. I kind of love that the tank is inside like this. The controller is very easy. You can also use it with a Bluetooth app and a remote.